Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the rejected Lookie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the left eye. Let's draw a circular curve up, leaving the bottom open. Then from the bottom, let's step up and let's draw a line across. And then inside, let's draw a large curve on the top right. And then color this section in black. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right eye. Let's start with a line across for the bottom. And then a smaller curve up and back down. And then add a circle inside. And then color the circle in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a wavy line up and over. And then a wavy line back down to the right side. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve over and back up for the bottom of the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move underneath and let's draw the feet. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right. Now let's hop in and let's draw another set of lines down and curve it slightly out at the bottom. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a line across. And that's it for the rejected Lookie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!